Hello friends, so welcome to a new tutorial on Python from Mithus Philologies. In this video, we are going to see how to use the Wikipedia in Python. So basically, I can use the Wikipedia pages and extract the information from the Wikipedia pages using Python. So that may be useful for us to understand the text processing from the Wikipedia, because Wikipedia is the largest website in the world which holds maximum amount of information onto it on the text format. So if you want to work with the Wikipedia using Python, so here is the tutorial for you. So let's see. I'm using a Google Colab here, so we just can use any kind of IDE or any kind of editor of Python programming language, and you'll work on that. So I've created the statements already. So let's understand how exactly this Wikipedia package or Wikipedia connectivity with Python is possible. So let's see this. So first thing is that you need to install the Wikipedia package of the Python. That is from pip you can download, or you can install that by using this statement, that is pip install Wikipedia. So Wikipedia is the name of package available in pip. With this we can install the Wikipedia. So I can use in this way. In Linux we can use by using pip3, or in Windows also, Anaconda also. Package name is common, so you can choose any way to install the Wikipedia package on your system. So just install that. When it's get installed, it will download the Wikipedia package from the net and it will install in your system. So it's downloading, it's searching for the Wikipedia package right now. I just executed the statement, and once the package got installed, then let's see how exactly this Wikipedia package will work to communicate with the wikipedia.org. So let's say this is downloading the Wikipedia package, collecting, and now it's installed. Wikipedia 1.4.0 currently the package available is now installed on your systems. So let's see. So first of all, we need to import the Wikipedia package. Yes, I import it. Now inside the Wikipedia, I want to search something, like I want to search my name like Tushar. So I just using wikipedia.search and I'm giving my name over there. So let's see how exactly it searches it there. Just execute this, and now see. So from Tushar name, so many multiple names are available. You can check this out. These are the names which are available in the Wikipedia. I can store them in a list format because the output generated by using this statement is a list. Okay, so I can store that in a variable. It's just printing over here. Now I want only top two results. We can use the function parameter results equal to. So first two results only that will be shown, result equal to 2. So only two results are printed on the screen now. Now I want to search the summary of articles. So I'll be making use of the function summary. Wikipedia.summary Marathi language. So I'm giving this name, and it will search, hit the article of Marathi language, and will print the summary of it. Let's see this one. So it's extracting this summary only, not the whole page, only summary. What exactly the Marathi language is present. So what's the summary that will be extracted, that's printed here. So I can store that in a string format. So in a variable also you can store that. Now I want maximum 2 statements out of it. So you can make use of a sentences equal to 2, and only first 2 sentences will be printed here. Check it out. Okay, that's how we can make use of it. Now okay, this is how the summary will work. And now if I type something in summary which only single is not matching, it will show the error there. See this one, showing the disambiguation error, because with this name which I have given here, Marathi, multiple articles are present. So Marathi people, Marathi language, okay, Marathi name, okay, many more names are present there. So this will be results which are shown out of it. One of the string, one of the title, we need to check, and then only it will show the result for you. Okay, so make sure that's it's giving this error over here, disambiguation error. Now I want to see the content only, content of respective article of page. So just check how systematically it's showing the results out here. So I'm searching for Sachin Tendulkar. See this one, Sachin Tendulkar, philanthropy, autobiography, biographies, books. So all these things are separately given. Films, filmography, notes, references, like, yeah, external links, fin. So this way it's give the summary or search the contents of the respective page. Now I want to see the URL of this particular article. So see, the URL of article is just like wikipedia.page, and .url attribute is to show the URL of the respective article there. I want to see the references only, so let's make use of the references. Wikipedia.page Maharashtra.references. So we'll create a list of references. Okay, you might have seen the Wikipedia pages, they contain the references, only references and their links are extracted here. Check it out. All they are shown over here. If you click on this link, that reference link will get open. I want to see the title of the page. So most of the time title of the page and the page name are same. So see this one, it's Pune. I'm just giving dot title is the attribute to show the title of the respective Wikipedia pages. Now if I want to search something in which categories is present, so we can make use of categories here. So print Wikipedia dot page Shivaji Maharaj. So wherever Shivaji Maharaj article is present in which particular categories of Wikipedia, that it will print. See, 1630 births, this link is present. 1680 deaths or 17th century Indian monarchs. Okay, see this one, all that we can see, all they are present, all the articles, they are grouped together, and in which particular categories is present. This we can see this one, Indian warriors, Hindu warriors, or Indian Hindus, or Maratha Empire, people from Maharashtra, people of Maratha Empire, Shivaji, use Indian English. Okay, like so in these articles, these groups, categories, this article is present. Okay, so this way you can make use of it. Now I want to search by the latitude and longitude, so I can make use of a geo search. Wikipedia.geo search and give latitude and longitude. So which place is present over here, that will be shown. Yes, it's the Shivneri caves present at the respective location. Now I want to search, I want to say my language. So by default it uses the English language, but I want to change the language, so we can make use of a function called as set_lang. Wikipedia.set_lang mr stands for Marathi language, and if I want to print Marathi language statement, so I'll make use of set language. And now Wikipedia.summary, and here I'm giving the name as Ubuntu, the web page created on the Wikipedia for Ubuntu, and in Marathi language only first 2 sentences will be extracted. Check it out. So might be knowing it's possible to change the language in the Wikipedia, so I'm choosing Marathi, and see these are the first 2 statements which are present on the Ubuntu article in Marathi language on Wikipedia. Now what are the languages present and their titles, so their short forms. If I want this Wikipedia languages, so we can make use of this. Wikipedia.languages is a function by which you can see this. So these are the short form of the language, and this is the name of the language in which the Wikipedia is present. Check it out. Lot many languages are present that we can see, and their names are given in the respective language over there. Say this. Okay, fine. Okay, so I want to search the image, so I can make use of the images attribute. So list attribute, it returns that Wikipedia.page Maharashtra, so page Maharashtra's page in Wikipedia, and image number 15, its link will be extracted, and that we can see here. Check it out. This is the link of the 15 number page. So image, so we can start from 0 1 2 3, whatever number of images are there in sequence, they are mentioned on Wikipedia page, that will be extracted. So if I click on that, see this image belongs to what exactly? Okay, it's giant squirrel. Okay, so it's a state animal, okay, of the Maharashtra. Okay, this present there. And final Wikipedia.page and .html function is just to extract the HTML format of the respective Wikipedia page. So if I want that, so we can make use of this Wikipedia.page. I've given Nashik here, and this is what we require in the HTML file format. So in HTML format, the page is extracted. Check it out all, and I can store in an HTML file also. Okay, complete HTML page is extracted. Say this one. Yeah. So this is how we can perform the operation with the help of the Wikipedia package. So Wikipedia is very important package that I can use. So whenever you have to extract, perform operation on Wikipedia, so this package is there for you, the functions available with you, that also we can make use of, and you can perform operations on this particular package. Thank you. Thanks a lot.